back to the channel. We have the PSI mid-pipe on the G80 now, and in this video I'll take you through my thoughts and experiences living with this setup so far. Current exhaust setup to date is stock downpipes, PSI mid-pipe, stock rear section with the Dähler valve controller. Make sure to watch until the end as I'm going to show you how this car currently sounds in every mode. Thanks for watching and enjoy. So first impressions of this exhaust is there's definitely a difference. No question about that. You know, when I first had the Dähler valve controller installed, you noticed a difference because it opened up, obviously, and it just showed how much the rear section of the exhaust muffled the sound. But when the mid-pipe was installed, and the mid-pipe removes the secondary catalytic converter, primary and secondary resonator, and I don't know if you can hear that or not, but it's loud, but not too loud, okay? And that's a personal preference. Like, in my opinion, this sounds amazing. This is stock downpipe, stock tune. So this is in Sport Plus with the Dähler valve controller, valves fully open. And what I like about this is a lot of people put exhaust on, and valved exhaust for that matter, but you're still getting the factory control from the ECU controlling the valves. So it's more open, and it allows more flow, correct, but you're still not getting full flow to get all that volume. Like, that sounds amazing. And one thing I do notice is because from the primary cats all the way back, it's pretty much open when the valves are open. Even though I have a stock rear section, it's not straight pipe by any means, but it's still open, full flow all the way back, which means exhaust pressure and exhaust gases can flow without any restriction all the way back, more or less. So what I do notice in the low end, around 2,000 RPMs plus or minus, is there's a little bit of a lag because that reduced back pressure, but once the turbos kick in and you get boost, it really rips. That's one thing I first noticed when I put the mid-pipe on, because back pressure kind of gives you that low end torque, and then fully open exhaust allows for more top end horsepower. So that's a difference. So I think this rates PSI set around 10, 12 horsepower. My butt dyno says that's probably accurate. I wouldn't say any more than that. But what you do notice is on the low end, you kind of had that little bit of a lag. And like I said, once it kicks in, it rips. And then the top end, it feels like it does breathe a little better, which would make sense. And then outside of that, the sound is amazing. The other thing you can do is I can put this in comfort mode, valves fully open, and have a really nice deep tone cruising around with no burbles, and have a nice easy drive. I mean, it's a completely different tone because exhaust, the revs stay a little bit lower. So like, for example, if I put this in efficient mode, fully open, I don't know how much of that you guys can hear. And I guess I can jump into that. So regarding drone, if I'm low RPM, so for example, right now I'm going 40 miles an hour, 35 miles an hour, 1800 RPM. Yeah, there's a little bit of a drone. And I notice at high weight speeds, so if I'm in that 80 miles an hour, 75 to 85 miles an hour, and if it's in efficient mode, because it kicks it into 8th gear and it's sitting right at that 2,000 RPMs, it's right in the sweet spot of the sound, the resonance of the exhaust note. It's not overly loud or obnoxious, but it's noticeable to where long driving, I kind of switch up the game on that one. I usually will either put it in manual and drop into 7th gear, or I will put it in sport mode and kind of just have the ECU control that for me and just kick it up a little bit, because that note is it can be a little annoying. But outside of that, there really is no problem. Nothing else is annoying. That's just something I noticed that didn't really like too much of. So definitely switch that up a little bit. But outside of those things, man, it rips. This sounds so good. Put the windows down for you guys. Not sure how much exhaust you're hearing over the wind noise. Man, that sounds so good. It has a nice consistent tone. Like, it's not overly splatty or kind of, you know, the S55 had that, and then the S58 still kind of has that, obviously. I think the B58, when set up properly, just sounds really, really good. And of course, I do love the S58, but with the right setup, I think it sounds the best. I think fully open, too open, I don't like the sound of that personally, but the way this sounds, it just keeps that deeper tone, but kind of still has a rowdy side to it with everything fully open, which I like. It's not too aggressive, but it's not quiet by any means. I love it. So as you guys can see, it literally sounds amazing. It also looks amazing. The guys at PSI do a really good job of welding this pipe, putting it on, and really giving it a first-class fit and finish. I'm really happy with it. Sounds amazing. It allows me to open it up and have a loud exhaust, but at the same time, with the Dähler valve controller paired with it, I can close the valves back to stock setting essentially and make it nice and quiet. And I love that because I drive this car, not daily, but I drive this car almost daily. And if I have someone call in, talking with the wife, going to dinner, whatever it is, I can close the valves, and with the stock rear section on, it really allows it to quiet down. Where I think if I had a more open rear section, maybe an aftermarket one, with the valves closed, it would quiet it down with the valves closed, but not as much as it would the rear section. So this current setup, I really, really like it because fully open, it's loud enough, and closed, it takes it down a notch quieter, which I like. So the current setup that I have, super happy with it. So again, guys, thank you for watching. A shout out to PSI for getting this on my car. They did a great job, like they always do. So really appreciate them and getting this pipe on my car. Again, thank you for watching, and catch you guys on the next one.